Top 10 Facts about the World's Most Famous Landmarks. Fact number 1. Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Christ the Redeemer not only holds religious importance, but also represents the warm and welcoming nature of the Brazilian people and their love for Rio de Janeiro. Fact number 2. Taj Mahal, India. The color of the Taj Mahal appears to change with the time of day. It looks pinkish in the morning, milky white in the evening, and golden under moonlight. Fact number 3. Stonehenge, United Kingdom. Its exact purpose remains a subject of debate, with theories ranging from an astronomical observatory to a religious and ceremonial site. Fact number 4. Machu Picchu, Peru. It was not widely known to the outside world until American historian and explorer Hiram Bingham brought it to international attention in 1911. Fact number 5. Petra, Jordan. Petra is often referred to as the Lost City because it remained largely forgotten by the Western world for centuries until it was rediscovered by Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt in 1812. Fact number 6. Statue of Liberty, USA. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the people of France to the United States and was dedicated on October 28, 1886. Fact number 7. The Coliseum, Italy. The inaugural games at the Coliseum in 80 AD lasted for 100 days and nights, featuring various forms of entertainment, including gladiatorial contests and animal hunts. Fact number 8. Great Wall of China. The Great Wall is not a continuous wall but a series of walls and fortifications built by different Chinese dynasties over centuries. Fact number 9. Eiffel Tower, France. The tower's height can change by up to 6 inches due to temperature variations. During hot summer days, the iron structure expands, making the tower taller. Fact number 10. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. In recent years, modern technologies like muon radiography have been used to explore the pyramid's interior. These techniques have revealed hidden chambers and structures within the pyramids. For more daily facts videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.